Hey guys, this is Josh, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove this particular icon in your desktop in Windows 11. So there are two methods on how to remove this. First is editing your registry, and then the second one is the third-party app. Now, I'm currently using Windows 10, which is why you won't see this on my desktop, but I can still guide you all the way. So let's begin. First, you want to hit Windows R, Windows plus R button on your keyboard, then type in registry edit or reg edit. Then after that, it's going to open up your registry editor. And then what you want to do is you want to click on H key current user. And then after you want to click on software. And then next you want to go for Microsoft right here. Okay. After Microsoft, you want to go to Windows. Click on Windows. And then after Windows, you want to click on current version. And then Explorer. And then after Explorer, this is where we get different, because if you're using Windows 11, you're gonna see here hide desktop icons. Now if you see that, you want to click on that, and then next, new start panel, click on that one. Now after that, you're gonna see something like this. After you click on this new start panel, you're gonna see something like this. And here in the white space, you want to go right click, then new, then D word 32-bit value. Now you need to copy this. You need to rename this one with this particular code. All right. Then after, you just want to confirm the rename, and then you want to modify and keep the base hexadecimal and then the value data 1. All right. And then after you click on OK, you just simply need to restart your PC and log in again, and the icon won't be there anymore. So let me just delete this. So let's go to the other method. Now, how do we go to the other method? You just simply need to have this third-party Explorer Patcher software. So in here, it's very basic because you just simply need to install it, and then it gives you the option to remove the button, and then you're done. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are updated with our daily uploads. This is Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.